Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into what I like to call the best Zelda shower curtain, the ORTIGIA Green Misty Forest Shower Curtain. If you're looking to transform your bathroom into a serene woodland escape, this is the perfect addition to your space. The ORTIGIA Green Shower Curtain features a stunning misty forest design that will make you feel like you're stepping right into a peaceful woodland. The vibrant, high-definition print gives you that calm and relaxing ambiance you need during your bath time. The curtain's design is not only beautiful, but it also creates an immersive atmosphere with fog gently rolling through pine trees, giving it a mystical touch. What makes this shower curtain stand out is the quality of its material. Made from 100% waterproof polyester, it ensures that water slides right off, keeping your bathroom dry and your privacy intact. It's durable, soft to the touch, and designed to last. Whether you're taking a quick shower or enjoying a long soak, this curtain will stay vibrant and functional for years. One of the best features of this shower curtain is its easy maintenance. It's machine washable, so you don't need to worry about complicated cleaning procedures. Just toss it in the washing machine on a gentle cycle with cold water, and you're good to go. Plus, the fabric dries quickly, so no waiting around for it to be ready to hang back up. The ORTIGIA Green Misty Forest Shower Curtain also comes with 12 rust-resistant metal hooks, making it easy to hang and slide smoothly. No need to stress over installation. The hooks ensure that everything is set up in no time. And with a size of 72 inches by 72 inches, it fits most standard shower areas, making it a versatile option for almost any bathroom. This shower curtain isn't just for bathrooms either. You can use it for your home, dorm room, camper, or even as a decorative curtain for a closet or window. Its nature-inspired theme complements a variety of spaces, bringing a touch of the outdoors inside no matter where you place it. The ORTIGIA Green Misty Forest Shower Curtain truly brings a touch of tranquility and nature into your home. With its breathtaking design, easy maintenance, and practicality, it's the perfect addition for anyone looking to elevate their bathroom decor. If you're ready to step into your own personal forest retreat every time you take a shower, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and make sure to like and subscribe for more great reviews.